Continue. Number 8. Once a reader has begun to read from the Sefer Torah, the entire congregation is forbidden to speak, even about the Torah topics. And this is so even during the interlude between one man is called up to the next man is called up. So that's where when the whole all the conversations start between the Aliyahs. It's very annoying and very disgusting. Okay, so from the beginning, this commentaries. Once the reader has begun to read from the Sefer Torah, the entire congregation, commentary, this includes a person who has already read the Torah reading. I see Shulchan Aruch, Mishnah. Okay, so for example, this person already had the mitzvah. So, for example, he went to the early minyan, and he already heard the whole Sefer Torah reading from the beginning to the end. So he is also included in people that must be quiet. Okay, so one more time, the entire congregation is forbidden to speak. Commentary, Mishnah Berurah 146:4. Rules that it is forbidden to converse from the time the Sefer Torah is opened, even before the reading has begun. Okay, so even at earlier time. So continue with Shulchan Aruch, even about Torah topics. Commentary. However, regarding the study of the Torah, without conversation, in the interlude between the Aliyahs, and during the Torah reading itself, see Mishnah Berurah. So basically, I think he would say that it is allowed. So if he would just want to read by himself, while they give blessing to one guy and next guy is coming to the bima, so I'm not sure what is it, maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes, so he can learn basically. So okay, so it's forbidden to speak even the Torah topics. Continue, and this is so even during the interlude between the one man is called up to the up, and the next man is called up. Okay. 26 between Aliyahs basically. So I mean, one is finished, they give a blessing, and they call another one. So even then, it is forbidden to speak. Furthermore, it is forbidden to leave the synagogue during the time they are reading from the Torah. So as we said before many times, I mean, not many times, but at least 3 times we discussed this thing. That it's actually, we said that when they read from the Torah and person leaves synagogue, I mean, he goes to the restroom. It's not like he's disgusted with the Torah, but it looks like he shows his contempt with the Torah, which is not good. So try and never leave in the middle of the Torah reading. If you must leave, so leave between Aliyahs or before the Torah, before they start reading to the Torah. Commentary. Even if a minyan of 10 men will still remain in a synagogue, and he has already heard the Torah reading, leaving during the Torah reading is prohibited. See Mishnah Berurah 146:1. Okay, continue same halachah. However, during the interlude between one person and the next person, when the Sefer Torah is rolled closed, and we usually cover it also, right? He may leave, and he must attend to the great need. Okay, so he needs go to the bathroom, let's say. Commentary, he may exit between olim, provided that the last at least a minyan remain in a synagogue. So we spoke about it before when we were discussing the laws of the minyan. So if he leaves and there is no minyan, so basically he has no right to leave them like this. Even though, like at the end, we said that even if he left, they can continue and finish reading even without this guy. Okay, so halakha number 9.
Rabbi, over here it says it's forbidden to leave the synagogue. Let's say I'm in like a side room of the synagogue. Does that also count as leaving?
Yeah. You leave from the Torah present. So the thing, it's like I don't know, the person does not like what he's hearing. That's it. So if somebody like, okay, that's No.
Well, what if someone has to go use the bathroom? He's not allowed to listen to the Torah. What does he do?
No, he's allowed to listen to the Torah. I mean, just wait between the Aliyahs.
Oh, so over here, this doesn't count towards between the Aliyahs.
No, between Aliyahs. So between Aliyahs, you can exit.
So just to be clear, you're not allowed to talk between Aliyahs, but you're allowed to go use the bathroom.
No. Yes, correct. Sorry. Yes, correct. 100%. Okay.